Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to share something that very few people are willing to admit. You see, when it comes to trading, the internet, social media, and flashy advertisements have painted a very deceptive picture of what success really looks like. Everywhere you look, you see screenshots of profits, luxury cars, big houses, and promises of financial freedom in just a few months. But the truth about trading success, is not glamorous, and it's not what most people want to hear. So let's dive in. 1. Real trading is boring, not glamorous. When most people first imagine trading, they think of flashing screens, rapid decisions, and instant riches. Hollywood movies and Instagram traders have sold us this image of trading as a high adrenaline, luxury-filled lifestyle. But let me tell you something that nobody wants to admit. Real trading is boring. The traders who succeed don't spend their days gambling on risky positions or trying to outguess the market every 5 minutes. Instead, they sit quietly, following the same process they've developed through years of discipline. Trading success is not about excitement, it's about consistency. Think about it like professional athletes. A basketball player doesn't win games by inventing a new trick every night. He wins by practicing free throws, running drills, and sticking to fundamentals. It's repetitive, it's routine, but it builds excellence. Trading works the same way. The real money is made not in the big, flashy trades, but in small, consistent wins that compound over time. So if your goal is to feel excited while trading, you're setting yourself up for failure. Excitement comes from risk-taking and gambling, and that almost always ends in losses. If you want success, learn to love the boring side of trading, the side where you wait for your setups, follow your rules, and don't let emotions push you into impulsive decisions. 2. Quick riches are a myth. Here's a hard pill to swallow. Most traders will never get rich quickly. Social media is filled with stories of people turning $500 into $50,000 in a few weeks. But what you don't see are the thousands of traders who tried the same thing and blew up their accounts. The truth is that overnight success in trading is as rare as winning the lottery. Real traders build wealth slowly. They grow accounts with consistent returns of 1 to 3% per month. It doesn't sound glamorous, but when you let those returns compound, they create life-changing results. Think about Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor. Did he get rich overnight? He built his wealth over decades. Trading works in the same way. The people who try to get rich quick usually lose everything just as fast. If you're serious about trading, shift your mindset. Don't focus on getting rich tomorrow, focus on staying in the game long enough for compounding to work in your favor. The slow, steady path is the real path to success. 3. Losses are unavoidable. Another truth no one wants to talk about is this. Every trader loses money. Losses are not a sign of weakness, they are part of the process. Even the most successful traders in the world, hedge fund managers, institutional traders, and seasoned professionals, lose trades every single week. The difference between success and failure isn't avoiding losses, it's managing them. Successful traders treat losses as business expenses. Just like a shopkeeper pays rent or a restaurant buys ingredients, traders accept that some trades won't work out. The problem is that new traders let emotions take over. They panic when they lose, they double down to make it back, or they give up altogether. This is why most traders fail. If you want to succeed, you must shift your mindset. Instead of trying to avoid losses, focus on protecting your capital. Use stop losses. Manage your risk per trade. Make sure no single loss can wipe out your account. The goal is not to win every battle. The goal is to stay alive long enough to win the war. 4. Psychology is more important than strategy. Here's something that shocks beginners. Psychology is more important than strategy. Most new traders obsess over indicators, chart patterns, and strategies. They jump from one system to another, always searching for the perfect setup. But the truth is, you can give two traders the exact same system, and one will make money while the other loses everything. Why? Because of psychology. Trading is not just about the charts, it's about controlling your own mind. Fear makes you exit trades too early. Greed makes you hold too long. Impatience makes you take bad entries. Overconfidence makes you risk too much. Successful traders aren't just skilled at reading markets, they're skilled at mastering themselves. They stay calm when things go wrong, they stick to their rules, and they accept uncertainty. If you want to succeed in trading, spend less time searching for the holy grail strategy and more time working on your mindset. Keep a trading journal, record your emotions during trades, train yourself to be disciplined. In the end, trading is not just a market battle, it's a psychological battle with yourself. 5. Hard work beats secret shortcuts. Let me say this clearly, there are no secret shortcuts in trading. Everywhere online, people are selling secret indicators, unbeatable systems, and insider methods. But ask yourself, if these systems were so good, why would they sell them instead of using them? The truth is, there is no magic formula. The traders who succeed aren't the ones who buy shortcuts. They're the ones who put in the hard work. They backtest their strategies for months. They keep detailed journals. They study their mistakes and adjust. They don't chase shortcuts. They build habits. Trading is like fitness. You don't get abs by buying a magic supplement. You get them by putting in the work consistently every single day. If you want success in trading, stop searching for secrets and start doing the hard work. It's not glamorous, but it's what actually works. 6. Trading is not for everyone. Finally, let's face the hardest truth of all. Trading is not for everyone. Just like not everyone can be a surgeon, a pilot, or an athlete, not everyone is cut out to be a trader. Trading requires patience, emotional discipline, and the ability to deal with uncertainty and stress. Some people will always treat trading like gambling. They'll get addicted to the thrill of big wins and suffer crushing losses. Others will quit after the first setback. That's okay. Not everyone is meant to walk this path. But if you're the kind of person who can accept the boring grind, manage your emotions, respect risk, and commit for the long term, then trading can reward you with freedom and independence like few other careers can. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It reflects who you are. If you're disciplined, patient, and hardworking, it will reward you. If you're impulsive, greedy, and careless, it will punish you. So ask yourself, do you want to hear the truth and live by it, or do you want to keep chasing illusions? The truth about trading success is simple, but it's not sexy. It's boring. It's slow. It comes with losses. It demands emotional control. It requires hard work, and it's not for everyone. But if you can accept these truths and commit to the long game, then you'll discover that trading is not just about making money. It's about becoming a stronger, more disciplined version of yourself. That's the truth nobody wants to tell you.